Summarize, the all-new Redmi Note 10 Pro Max is a stellar phone. It brings all the flagship features in the mid-premium segment. It comes with a flagship 108MP camera sensor, a 5-megapixel super macro lens, and a host of other camera software features for the first time on a Redmi phone. It has a brilliant 120Hz Super AMOLED display with a peak brightness of 1200 nits and comes with HDR10. It is a gorgeous phone with evolved design that comes with frosted glass back. It is slimmer and lighter than ever. It is powered by one of the most powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 700 series processors, Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G, and comes with Adreno 618 GPU. It has a massive 2-day 5020 mAh battery with 33 watt of fast charging. As you can see, we pushed all the boundaries with this smartphone, and you can see the incredible results for yourself. Presenting the all-new Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. That's right. We are launching Redmi Note 10 Pro along with Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. So let's get into the details. We have ensured that Redmi Note 10 Pro gives you the same immersive experience with barely any compromises and the same great features as Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. Redmi Note 10 Pro also comes with the same great 120Hz Super AMOLED display with peak brightness of 1200 nits and HDR10 support. It has a phenomenal 64-megapixel quad camera array with super macro and ultra-wide lenses. It has an identical Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G processor and the Adreno 618 GPU. And it also comes with the same 2-day 5020 mAh battery and also a 33 watt fast charger in the box. It comes with the evolved design that all of you guys will love. It comes with frosted glass back design and is also available in the same 3-color variant. And it also offers stereo speakers and Z-axis haptic feedback. So there you have it, a device that matches up to the best out there in the market. So that's the Redmi Note 10 Pro for all of you guys. Finally, we have a new champion, the Redmi Note 10. The all-new Redmi Note 10 has a 16.33 centimeter, which is 6.43 inches, Full HD Super AMOLED display with a peak brightness of 1100 nits. It has an amazing 48-megapixel quad camera setup with Sony IMX582 and an ultra-wide and a macro lens. This is the first smartphone to be launched with Qualcomm Snapdragon 678 in India and Adreno 612 GPU. It has a 5000 mAh battery with 33 watt fast charger in the box. And this is a massive upgrade over the Redmi Note 9. We have once again upgraded almost every single thing. LCD panel becomes Redmi Note 10 Pro Max is being launched in 3 different memory variants, and the 6GB, 64GB is being launched at only Rs 18,999. The 6GB, 128GB is being launched at only Rs 19,999. And the 8GB, 128GB will sell for only Rs 21,999. Redmi Note 10 Pro is being launched in 3 memory variants. 6GB, 64GB is being launched at only Rs 15,999. 6GB, 128GB at only Rs 16,999. And the 8GB, 128GB at only Rs 18,999. Now let's look at Redmi Note 10, the new champion. And we are launching Redmi Note 10 in 2 different memory variants of 4GB, 64GB is Rs 11,999, and the honest price of 6GB, 128GB is only Rs 13,999. When and where can you buy these incredible smartphones? all of these three phones, Redmi Note 10 Pro Max, Redmi Note 10 Pro, and Redmi Note 10, will be available on mi.com, amazon.in, and our Mi Home stores, and will be soon available across tens of thousands of our retail partners. The first sale of Redmi Note 10 is on 16th of March, a Tuesday, on mi.com, amazon.in, and Mi Home stores. Redmi Note 10 Pro, the first sale on 17th of March, and Redmi Note 10 Pro Max, the first sale is on 18th of March, Thursday.